In this video, I'm going to show you how your clients can see the nutritional information of their meal plans on the mobile app and how you as a professional can set if you want them to have this option available or not. So right now I'm going to enter a patient profile, and if I click here on the meal plan, you can see that this patient already has a meal plan added to their recommendations, and you can see here in terms of calories and in terms of micronutrients. So at the moment, clients would only be able to see this on their Android app, but now they can see this on their iOS app as well. But in addition to that, you can also set if you want them to actually have this information or not. So as a default, Nutrium always enables this information for them. But you can choose if you want to enable or disable this, and right now I'm going to show you how it looks like when a patient has this information enabled. So you can see here on the app, I'm going to the meal plan, and you can see that if the client clicks in more info, they can see their energy, proteins, carbohydrates and fats for any of the meals of the meal plan. But you want them to have this option disabled, and what this will do is remove that information from their app. And I'm going to update the app, and now you can see here that I cannot see the information of the nutritional information of the meal plan on the app. This works both for iOS and Android. So to save time, you may ask, how can I enable or disable this for all of my clients? And you can see here you have the option to enable to all clients or disable right here in the client profile. But you can also do this on configurations and preferences, and I'm going to show you this right now. You can see here that you have some presets, so options that are chosen by default. And as you can see here, I can enable or disable this to all clients. So let's say that I do not want any of my current clients that I already have the platform and are using the app to have access to this. So I'm going to disable this, and you can see here that the option enable is still on. And what does this mean? It means that although you have disabled this to all of the clients that you have already, if a new client requests to be seen by you and you give them access to the app, this means that they will still have access to this information on their app because you have this option enabled. To remove this option for future clients that use the app, you need to choose here disabled, and you can see here that now none of the current clients have access to this information, and none of the future clients will have access to this information as well. And this can be done the other way around as well. So you can enable this to all of the future clients, and you can enable this to all of your current clients as well. So this is how this feature works right now, and you can also do this that I just explained to all of the features on the app as well.